Good morning to all. So today we'll continue chapter number 9 of the book by Leaf, analysis of ranking data. Second part of chapter 9. Initially we have done analysis of discrete data. Under that we have covered chi-square test of two types. And now we'll continue with ranking data. Ranking data is entirely different type of data. Doesn't come under continuous or discrete data. Basically, some subjective properties, when we cannot measure the properties in number, we give them some rank. For example, in beauty contest, in textiles, in case of comfort or handle, some things we cannot measure. So we cannot measure it in numbers. So we go for subjective test and give the ranking. Ranking is given by the experts. So when we want to analyze that type of data, we use these two terms, rank correlation and coefficient of concordance. Rank correlation we use when there are two judges, and coefficient of concordance we use when there are more than two judges. You have done this rank correlation part, I think, in class 11th or 12th already. In this, both of these numbers, we'll calculate rank correlation and coefficient of concordance, and we'll see in the different examples. Both of these numbers should come between -1 to 1. If it is near to +1, that means all the judges, two or more, they are in concordance, they are in agreement with each other. And if the number comes near -1, that means the two judges are assessing the thing in opposite to each other. They are not in agreement, they are disagreeing with each other. So the range of the answers we'll get will only between -1 to +1. And okay, now rank correlation coefficient, the formula we need to learn is 1 minus 6 sigma d square upon n minus 1 n plus 1. And coefficient, and in coefficient of concordance, first we'll calculate rank sum, which is Ri. Then we'll calculate R bar, that is average rank. Then we'll calculate S by using this formula, sigma Ri minus R bar ka whole square. Then we'll calculate coefficient of concordance by using this formula, W is equal to 12S upon R square n minus 1 n plus 1. So we'll continue with the exercise of chapter number 9. I'll start with question number 6. Okay, in question number 6, two people were asked to rank 8 sweaters in order of attractiveness. Their rankings are given below. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H sweaters are there, and two judges, one judge 1 and judge 2 are there, and they have given rank to these sweaters in order of attractiveness, and we have to calculate the rank correlation coefficient and test whether the two judges were in significant agreement. So there are only two judges, so we'll go for rank correlation coefficient, and first we'll calculate the difference D of the ranks given by two judges, I have shown here. Then we'll calculate D square. Then sigma D square is equal to 8 in this question. And then we'll apply this formula 1 minus 6 sigma D square n square minus 1. And the answer we are getting here is 0.905. So now for the significance of this rank, we need to refer table 9.11, which is given in the book by Leaf in chapter 9, table 9.11. I haven't shown it here. And if we see the values for 5% and 1% for n is equal to 8, because number of entries are 8, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H in our question. So for n is equal to 8, at 5% level the value given is 0.71, and at 1% value it is given 0.82, and we have got the value 0.905. So calculated value is higher than both 5% and 1% values. That means this rank correlation coefficient is significant even at 1% level. Hence, very good agreement between the judges. Both of the judges think in the same way. Now we'll move on to question number 7. A training officer ranked a group of new employees in order of potential by using a preliminary test. After 6 months at work, the same employees were ranked again by their department head. The two rankings are given below. Do these data suggest that the preliminary test was a good predictor of employee potential? So there are two ranks given of the same number of employees. 18 employees are there, and two types of rankings are given. One is at their joining time and one is after 6 months work. So similarly, we'll calculate first the D, that is difference between the two ranks, then D square, then sigma D square, which is 652 in this question. I have shown the calculations. Next, you have to calculate the rank correlation coefficient by using the formula 1 minus 6 sigma D square n square minus 1. So I get the value 0.327 here, and n is 18. Now when the n is greater than 10, we cannot see this table 9.11 for the significance testing. Then we have a small procedure. First we'll calculate the t value, which is this RS rank correlation coefficient we have got into n minus 2 upon 1 minus r square s to the power 1 by 2, which I have calculated. It is 1.384. And then we'll see the t test table for n minus 2 degree of freedom. In this case, it is 18 minus 2, 16 degree of freedom at alpha is equal to 0.025, and the table value is 2.12, and calculated value is less than table value. So we can say that already it is obvious from the rank correlation coefficient value we have calculated, which was around 0.327, which is very low. So answer is no. No preliminary test is not a good predictor of employee potential. Now moving on to question number 8, which is also a question of rank correlation coefficient and a simple question. In this, 7 fabrics had their flexural rigidity and comfort. The fabrics were also assessed for handle by an experienced technologist, and the rigidity and the handle rankings are given below. Do these data tend to confirm that there is an association between flexural rigidity and fabric handle? So there are 7 fabrics and 2 types of rankings are given in terms of flexibility of the fabric and handle of the fabric. And is there any association between these two properties? That is what we are trying to find out. And in this case, if we calculate rank correlation coefficient, it is 0.75. And for significance testing, we can use table 9.11, and there we see the values are 0.75 at 5% and 0.89 at 1%. And our calculated value is also 0.75, which is just equal to 5% value. Now when it is just equal, if it would have been higher value, then we can say yes, it is significant. And if it just equal to the 5% value, the answer is just significant at 5% level. There may be an association between, maybe an association between flexural rigidity and handle. Now moving on to next question number 9. In question number 9, 4 judges ranked 5 cloths in order of preference with the following results. Now there are 4 judges, so we'll go for coefficient of concordance, and there are 5 fabrics, and 4 judges gave ranks to 5 fabrics. So in this question, first we'll calculate this rank sum, that is Ri. We'll just add all the 4 ranks of all the fabrics. Then we'll calculate this R bar, which is R into n plus 1 upon 2, where R is number of judges and n is number of entries, and in this case I have calculated that it is 12. Then Ri minus R bar are these entries, and Ri minus R bar whole square are these entries. So we'll just add Ri minus R bar whole square and get the value of S, which is 116. And we'll calculate this coefficient of concordance, which is 0.725 in the present question. Now, how to test its significance? It is a small process we need to learn is, first we'll calculate a modified coefficient of concordance, which is 12 s minus 1 r square n minus 1 n plus 1 plus 24. So we'll just calculate this value, which comes here is 0.7098. After that, we'll calculate the value of f ratio by using this procedure, and we'll compare it with the f table from f test table, value from f test table at alpha is equal to 0.025. That is for K1 and K2 we also need to see the table, and we'll use these formulas to see the value of K1, K2, and then we'll see the value of f, which is in this case it is 4.6 at alpha 0.025 and 6.3 at alpha 0.01, and in both the cases our value is higher than these. So even at 1% level there is very good agreement among judges. Good agreement among judges. Now moving on to question number 10. In this 4 groups of people, technologist, sales director, retail buyer and member of the public were asked to rank 6 garments in order of saleability, and we have to calculate coefficient of concordance. First we'll calculate rank sum, then we'll calculate R bar, then Ri minus R bar, then we'll calculate this value S, which is sigma of Ri minus R bar whole square, which is 84 in this question, and then we'll calculate the value of coefficient of concordance, which comes 0.3 in the present question. Then modified value of coefficient of concordance W dash is 0.2943, and then we'll calculate the F ratio, which is 1.25, and K1, K2 are 4.5 and 13.5, and the approximate value of this F from F table, if we see at alpha 0.025, it is approximately 4, and our value is 1.25. So the answer is no. There is very poor agreement among groups. There is no association between the judgments given by the 4 judges here. So this way we need to do the problems related to ranking data. Now the question number 11 I haven't done, so that is for